It tastes nice.
I made oxtail stuffed chicken wings for my 97-year-old grandma. Let's see your reaction trying it for the first time.
Don't kill me.
Grandma, I have an idea. You remember your fried chicken recipe? You remember your oxtail recipe? What if we combine them? Season oxtail with salt, pepper, sugar, garlic, allspice, scallions, brown tomato, soy sauce, thyme, onion, sear, and stew for 3 hours.
If you try really, it's alright.
Remove bones from chicken wings. Salt, pepper, garlic, onion, scallion. Shred oxtails and stuff inside chicken wings. Wash your cans of coconut milk. Fry chicken wings. Let's see grandma's reaction.
Why you make me try? Suppose to poison me. No dead. It tastes nice. Tastes good.
I don't want to cook